Hello students, myself Tiwari sir from Bright Skills Educare. Again today you are most welcome in our next lecture. It is multiplication and division of decimal numbers. Students, this is basic concept for 9th standard students. Before we start mathematics of 9th standard, we will be very versed with the all basic concept related to algebra as well as symmetry. So initially we are doing all the basic concept which we have already done in our previous standard, in 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th as well as in 8th standard. Let us do all these concepts, and once all these concepts will be finished, we will start 9th standard mathematics. Okay students, now see here multiplication and division. In previous lecture you have seen the addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Now today we are going to see multiplication and division of decimal numbers. See here students, first we will do multiplication. Suppose two numbers are there, 25.72 and it should be multiplied with 3.5. What it should be? Students, we will follow our traditional method as we have done in our previous standard. 25.72 should be multiplied by 3.5. First we have to multiply by 5. 5 2s are 10. Carry 1. 5 7 are 35. 1 36. Carry 3. 5 5 are 25 plus 3 28. Carry 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Okay. Now 25.72 should be multiplied by 3. So since it is 10th place, so start writing from 10th place. 3 2 ja 6. Then 3 7 ja 21. Carry 2. 3 5 are 15 plus 2 17. Carry 1. 3 2 ja 6 1 7. Okay. This is the final one. Now add both of them. 0 6 plus 6 12. Carry 1 8 1 9 1 10. 7 plus 2 9 1 10. Carry 1 1 plus 1 2 plus 7 9. It came 90,020. Okay. Now where to put the point? See here. Here decimal point is 2 digit before and here decimal point is 1 digit before. So in the product you have to put 2 plus 1 3 digit. Decimal point 3 digit before. So it should be 90.020. So 90.020. Okay. So your final answer will be 90.020. So इनमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ डेसिमल पॉइंट कैसे होता है, इस तरीके से आपको करना है. नोट डाउन कर लो इसको. We'll proceed for the next question. Two seven three eight. 0.527 into 100 into 10 क्या होगा, ध्यान देना स्टूडेंट्स. एक चीज याद रखना, डेसिमल नंबर्स के मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पॉइंट लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड की ओर मूव करता है. यहां पे पॉइंट यहां पर है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पॉइंट राइट साइड की ओर मूव करेगा. कितना डिजिट मूव करेगा? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द नंबर ऑफ जीरोस हियर. 10 में सिंगल जीरो है तो 1 डिजिट राइट साइड में मूव करेगा. 2 जीरो रहेगा तो 2 डिजिट राइट साइड में मूव करेगा. 3 जीरो रहेगा दैट मींस 1000 तो 3 डिजिट राइट साइड में मूव करेगा. देखो इसका क्या हो जाएगा 27385.27। देखो 1 डिजिट पॉइंट मूव हुआ, यहाँ पे 5 के पहले था, यहाँ पे 5 के बाद में आ गया। इसी तरह से इफ सेम नंबर आई टेक इजियर एग्जांपल 225.783 इनटू नाउ 100 कितना हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे 2 zeros है तो पॉइंट 2 डिजिट राइट साइड की ओर मूव करेगा, मतलब यहां से रिमूव होके कहां पे आ जाएगा 78 के बाद में आ जाएगा, समझे। तो हियर इट बिकम्स 22578.3। समझ में आ रहा है ना, पॉइंट यहां पे था, 100 में 2 जीरो है इसलिए पॉइंट 2 डिजिट राइट साइड मूव करेगा, तो इट बिकम्स 22578.3। that means 22,578.3। समझ में आ गया। now what about this one 0.0053 into 1000 0.0053 into 1000। See students, it looks very easier concept but it is important for you, that is why I am doing all these things. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there, so point will move 3 digit right side 1 2 3, so it becomes 5.3। ध्यान से देखना, पॉइंट यहाँ पर है, 3 डिजिट राइट साइड मूव हुआ तो फर्स्ट डिजिट, सेकेंड डिजिट, थर्ड डिजिट। अब ये पॉइंट यहाँ से रिमूव होके कहां पे आ जाएगा, यहां पे आ जाएगा, सो इट बिकम्स 5.3। समझ में आ गया मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ डेसिमल नंबर्स। इस तरीके से आप कोई भी डेसिमल नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो। फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज अ थर्ड सम आई एम डूइंग 72.9 into 0.003, what it should be। आपको क्या करना है, forget about the decimal points, simply multiply 729 by 3, multiply 729 by 3 and what will come, let us see। 3 9 is 27, carry 2, 3 2 is 6 plus 2 8 and 3 7 is 21। 729 is multiplied by 3, it came 2187। now let us think about where to put the decimal point। here it is 1 digit before and here it is 3 digit before। देखो ध्यान से, यहाँ पे 1 digit before पॉइंट है, यहाँ पे 3 digit before है, तो टोटल कितने हो गए 4 हो गए, टोटल कितने हो गए 4 हो गए। तो जो भी प्रोडक्ट आया है उसके 4 डिजिट के पहले पॉइंट लगाएंगे। देखो 1 2 3 4, 4 डिजिट हो गया, पॉइंट शुड बी प्लेस्ड हियर, सो इट बिकम्स 0.2187, 0.2187। समझ में आ गया। नेक्स्ट सम 25.12 into 0.0008। Let us see about that। 2512 को पॉइंट के बारे में मत सोचो, 2512 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, कितना आ जाएगा, देखो 8 2 जा 16, 8 1 जा 8 plus 1 9, 8 5 जा 40, 8 2 जा 16 plus 4 20। This much came। 2512 is multiplied by 8, it came 20,096। now let us put the decimal point। total how many digits are there, 2 digit here and 4 digit here, 4 plus 2 total 6 digits before you have to put the decimal point। let us count 1 2 3 4 5. 6 digit is not there, so just put a 0 here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 digits are there, 6 digit is not there, so put a 0 here, then put a decimal point, and before decimal point 0 should be always present. So your final answer came 0.020096. So this is a brief explanation about the multiplication of decimal numbers. I hope you must understood this one. So related to this sum, you solve around 10 examples and you will get it better. Okay, I am giving you related to this one. First sum is 2.5 into 0.8. Very easy sums I am giving you. Second sum is 235 into 1.5. Third sum is 0.0082 into 0.5. Fourth sum is 27.93 into 0.325. Fifth sum is 72.805 into 0.002. I think these 5 sums are sufficient for you. You solve this one. If you want, you can do some more sums from textbook of 7th standard, 6th standards. You will get it even from 5th standard also. And I hope this much is sufficient for you to complete the basic concept of multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay? Now, let us see the division of decimal numbers. Suppose 222.8 should be divided by 0.02. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट दिख रहा होगा, बट इट्स वेरी इजी. फर्स्ट थिंग ध्यान से देखना, 222.8 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.02. स्टूडेंट्स, while we are dividing it, first remove decimal point from denominator. डिनोमिनेटर से डेसिमल पॉइंट रिमूव करना है, उसके बाद ही हम डिवीजन कर सकते हैं. ध्यान से देखना, यहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट 2 डिजिट बिफोर है. 2 डिजिट मतलब डेसिमल पॉइंट को 2 डिजिट राइट साइड में शिफ्ट होना है. तो 2 डिजिट शिफ्ट होना है, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. 1 डिजिट राइट मूव करने के लिए 10 से, 2 डिजिट राइट मूव करने के लिए 100 से, 3 डिजिट राइट मूव करने के लिए 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, एंड सो ऑन. हियर स्टूडेंट्स, डेसिमल पॉइंट को 2 डिजिट राइट साइड में शिफ्ट करना है, मूव करना है, तो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. जब हम डिनोमिनेटर में 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो न्यूमरेटर्स में भी करना पड़ेगा. टू मेक इट बैलेंस्ड, if we have multiplied by 100 in denominator, we have to multiply by 100 in numerator also, so its value will be unchanged. Okay, so now what will come? देखो यहाँ से 222, अब ये पॉइंट, ये भी तो 2 डिजिट राइट साइड शिफ्ट होगा. यहाँ पे 8 है, उसके बाद सेकंड डिजिट नहीं है ना, तो 0 बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. 80, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 8 के बाद कोई डिजिट नहीं है, बट पॉइंट को 2 डिजिट राइट में शिफ्ट होना है. यहां से यहाँ आया तो 8 के बाद में आया तो सिंगल डिजिट हो गया. अब 2 डिजिट होना है, इसलिए एक 0 यहाँ पे इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. इट बिकम्स 22,280. और ये कितना हो जाएगा? पॉइंट यहां से डेसिमल पॉइंट शिफ्ट होके 2 के जस्ट बाद में आ गया, सो इट बिकम्स 2. नाउ You can easily divide 2 1 जा 2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8, 0. 11,140. I hope you understood this sum. Clear हुआ? We'll see the next sum. 35 divided by 0.007. 35 divided by 0.007. How many digits before decimal point is here? 3 digit. 3 digit before है तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. It becomes 35 into 1000 upon 0.007 into 1000. So it becomes 35 into 1000, or you can write 35,000 upon 7. And if 35,000 divided by 7, it came 5,000. Understood? Now third sum. 863.456 divided by 2.4. Students, one digit before decimal point is here, so you have to multiply by 10 in numerator and denominator both. It comes 863.456 into 10 upon 2.4 into 10. It becomes 863.456. देखो पॉइंट यहाँ पर था, 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1 डिजिट राइट साइड में शिफ्ट हो गया, तो यहाँ पर था तो इट केम आफ्टर 4. नाउ हियर 2.4 is multiplied by 10, it becomes 24. Now 8634.56 should be divided by 24. You can divide it by your traditional method, that is 8634.56 divided by 24. In this way you can do that. 24 3 ja 72 minus 6 minus 2 4, 8 minus 7 1. Put 3 here. 24 5 ja 120. How much it came? 23. Now put 4 here. In this way you can do that. Since space is not here, I am doing this sum here. So you will better know how to divide the sums also. Eight six three four 0.56 should be divided by 24. Let us see here. 24 3 ja 72, 6 minus 2 4, 8 minus 7 1. Then put down 3 here. 24 5 ja 120. So 3, 4 minus 2 2, 1 minus 1 0. And again you put down 4 here. 24 should be divided by, it came 9 times. 24 9 ja 9 4 ja 36, 9 2 ja 18 plus 3 21. So subtract it. 14 minus 6 8, 2 minus 1 1. It is 18. Now students, the main thing is here. Now here decimal point is here, so you have to put down 5. So before 5 decimal point is there, so put decimal point here in the question. समझाना कैसे करना है? डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद में 5 है, उसको आपको नीचे लेके आना है, तो उसके पहले डेसिमल है, तो सबसे पहले हम डेसिमल को क्वोशिएंट के पहले रखेंगे, देन वी कैन डू विथ 5. ओके, नाउ 5 came down, now 25, 24s are 7 times. 24 into 7, how much it is? Let me rub this one. You must have noted down it. कितना हो जाएगा 24 into 7? 7 4s are 28. Carry 2. 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16. This one. Understood? Now subtract it. 15 minus 8, 5 हो जाएगा 7. 15 minus 8, 7. Here 7 minus 6, 1. Then again you have to put down 6 here. Again 7 times. It is 168. 16 minus 8, 8. 6 minus 6, 0 and 0. It 8. So here, since you are doing it after decimal points, you can put 0 here. So by yourself you can put 1 0 here, and 24 3 the 72. Again came 8, and it goes on. Up to infinite. It is non-terminating decimals. So your final answer came 863.456 is divided by 2.4 is equal to 359.7733 and so on. अंडरस्टूड कैसे डिवीजन करना है डेसिमल पॉइंट का? इस तरीके से आप ये इस टाइप के डिविजन्स के सम्स आप 7th स्टैंडर्ड के टेक्स्ट बुक से 8th स्टैंडर्ड के टेक्स्ट बुक से यू कैन इजीली फाइंड, एंड यू प्रैक्टिस सम्स रिलेटेड टू डिविजन्स ऑफ डेसिमल्स. ओके, in this way your this concept is also over. In the next lecture we will see exponents and law of indices. Hello students, now let us see the exponents and power. What is exponents and what is power? See here, what about 2 into 2 into 2 into 2? What to write? 2 is multiplied by 2 by itself 4 times. 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. So you can write 2 raised to 4. Yeah, 2 to the 4. Here 4 is the called the index and 2 is the called 2 is base. 4 is called as index of this number and 2 is the base of this number. Okay. Similarly, 3 raised to 4 means 3 is multiplied by 3 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is called as exponents. This is called as exponents. Students, here are some rules related to exponents and power. Let us see those rules. You have already done in 8th standard and 7th standard. So this is just a brief explanation of the exponents and their rules. First thing is there, suppose if A is the base and M is the index, A raised to M into A raised to N is equal to A raised to M plus N. Always remember, in both the products base A is same and their index are different. In multiplication, index is added. In multiplication, index is added. For example, 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2, it becomes 5 raised to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Understood this one? Similarly, a raised to 7 into a raised to minus 2. Listen students, this is first example, this one is the second example. A raised to 7 into a raised to minus 2 becomes a raised to 7 plus minus 2. So 7 plus minus 2 means 7 minus 2, so it becomes a raised to 5. Understood this one? Another example, m upon n raised to 3 into m upon n raised to 5 is equal to m upon n raised to 3 plus 5. Since index are added, so it becomes m upon n raised to 8. These are the examples related to this formula. Now let us see the another formula. Note down this formula and relate to examples. Second formula is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. स्टूडेंट्स, मल्टीप्लाई में इंडेक्स ऐड होता है, डिवीजन में इंडेक्स सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, p raised to 7 divided by p raised to 5 is equal to p raised to 7 minus 5 is equal to p square. 7 minus 5 is 2. Next example, b raised to minus 6 divided by b raised to minus 5 is equal to what? Minus minus are there. Let us see. b raised to minus 6 minus, since it is divided, minus minus 5. It becomes b raised to minus 6 plus 5. देखो, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो गया. माइनस 6 प्लस 5 becomes b raised to minus 1. This is your answer. Third one, a upon b raised to 2p divided by a raised to b upon a upon b raised to 2p divided by a upon b raised to 5p is equal to a upon b raised to 2p minus 5p is equal to a upon b raised to minus 3p. So this one is related to this formula, division of exponents. Note down it. Third one is, students, a raised to m raised to n. Power to the power becomes a raised to m into n. A raised to m into n. This is third formula. Related to this formula, let us see some examples. First example, p raised to 5 raised to minus 2. It becomes p raised to 5 into minus 2 is equal to p raised to minus 10. Similarly, second example, m raised to minus 6 raised to minus 12 is equal to m raised to minus 6 into minus 12 is equal to m raised to 6 12 is 72 and minus into minus plus 72. These two examples are sufficient for that. Okay, let us see the next one. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. That means if any base has its index 0, its value becomes 1. Let us see. So many examples are there. किसी भी नंबर पर किसी भी बेस पे इंडेक्स 0 है तो उसका वैल्यू 1 होगा. Let us find out one sum. m raised to 7 divided by m raised to 7 is equal to m raised to 7 minus 7. डिवीजन है तो 7 minus 7 हो गया. m raised to 0. m raised to 0 means 1. Understood? So another example, x raised to minus 2 into x square. Students, x multiplied here, so in multiplication index are added. X raised to minus 2 plus 2, x raised to 0, its answer came 1. समझ में आ गया? Now let us see some more rules. One upon a raised to m becomes a raised to minus m. Means डिनोमिनेटर में इंडेक्स पॉजिटिव है तो न्यूमरेटर में नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. Vice versa, if a raised to 1 upon minus m becomes a raised to m. डिनोमिनेटर में इंडेक्स नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा और नेगेटिव इंडेक्स है तो न्यूमरेटर में पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. ये हमेशा याद रखना. फॉर एग्जांपल 1 upon y raised to 5 becomes y raised to minus 5. Similarly, 1 upon x raised to minus 6 becomes x raised to 6. Understood? Revise all these laws. Hello students, in this way you have already finished law of exponents and powers. In the next lecture we will see something more related to algebra. Till then, goodbye, have a good day. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Have a good day.